Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to convert a simple text into an interesting 3D text effect in Photoshop. So let's begin. Open a document and type a text. Change the font to any heavy-looking font. It works only in heavy font for better results. Resize the font to fit the document. Right-click on the text layer and select Blending option. Select Color Overlay and change the color. I changed it to orange. Click on OK. Now select Stroke. Make sure the position of the stroke is outside. Give it a thick stroke as I did. And change the color to any color. I changed it to pink. Click OK. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl and J. Duplicate layer is still selected. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Move the text 1 pixel up and 1 pixel right, using up and right arrow key on your keyboard. Press Enter. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus T to create duplicate layers. Click T for 10 times. Keep all the layers inside the group except the top layer. Rename the layer. Now select the top layer. Remove stroke effect from the text. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl and J. Duplicate layer is still selected. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Move the text 1 pixel up and 1 pixel right, using up and right arrow key on your keyboard. Press Enter. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus T to create duplicate layers. Click T for 10 times. Keep all the layers inside the group except the top layer. Rename the layer. Now select the top layer. Right-click and select Blending option. Remove Color Overlay and apply Gradient Overlay. In my case, I have used Orange Gradient from the Gradient Library. Now click on Inner Shadow. Change the color to white and blend mode to normal. Do the changes in the parameters as I am doing. Click OK to exit Layer Style panel window. Select and open the second group layer. Select the last layer of the second folder. Group it and apply Drop Shadow effect to the group. Adjust the parameters to get the result as you see in the screen. Click on OK. Close the group layer, select the first group layer, click on the first layer and group it. Apply Inner Shadow to the group, adjust the angle accordingly. Click on OK. Voila! Here you go. An interesting 3D text is ready. Hope you liked this video and please don't forget it, like and subscribe the channel. I will be back again with an interesting videos. See you soon.